Hey guys, it's Gabriel Brown here. I've been in the credit repair business for now about 15 years, and I've helped hundreds of clients repair their credit and remove the challenges from their credit reports. Many of my clients, after going through credit repair, still suffered from getting approvals for some of the most desirable things they wanted. Some wanted Blackcards. Some wanted exotic cars like Lamborghinis, Rolls Royces. Some wanted to rent million-dollar properties. Some wanted to get approved for commercial loans. Some wanted to get approved for consolidation loans, personal loans. Some had quite a few credit cards but wanted more. Even I, at that one time in my life, had about 15 cards and I wanted more credit. I wanted to leverage myself more. Now I have about 50 credit cards. Some of our clients suffered from check systems, safe rent, okay? Some of our clients didn't know that they had banking activity reports that outside of the credit reporting agencies, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, that the reason that they could not get higher limit credit cards, consolidation loans, and these other instruments they wanted was because their banking activity files were actually hurting them. I compiled a system after discovering that there is an additional score that banks, lending institutions, mortgage companies, auto dealers, they use this new score is called the Wealth score. Yes, the Wealth score. And I found that the Wealth score is actually a numerical score that is on a report, which I call a consumer file, that banks consult. And then I discovered some additional files. And this is actually what has come about as a result of discovering over 70 files that banks and lending institutions use above and beyond your credit reports and above and beyond your Fico score. And once I actually froze these files for the clients, they potentially got approved for the commercial loan, the luxury auto loan, the personal loan, the consolidation loan. And so now I'm offering a free consultation for anyone that wants to give me a call and schedule an appointment with me so I can go over the Wealth score system. It's called the Wealth score, this second score. All right? There's a link below. Hit the link, schedule the free call with me. Or if you want additional information, I'll send another video out where you can watch my webinar. All right? Thank you, and I look forward to talking to you on the call.